Audio Jungle.
Teaching and research aptitude. Question. Good evaluation of written material should not be based on option A. Linguistic expression, option B. Logical presentation, option C. Ability to reproduce whatever is read, option D. Comprehension of subject. Answer is option C. Ability to reproduce whatever is read. Next question. Why do teachers use teaching aid? Option A. To make teaching fun-filled. Option B. To teach within understanding level of students. Option D. For students' attention. Option D. To make students attentive. Answer is option A. To make teaching fun-filled. Next question. Attitudes, concepts, skills, and knowledge are products of option A. Learning. Option B. Research. Option C. Heredity. Option D. Explanation. Answer is option A. Learning. Next question. Which among the following gives more freedom to the learner to interact? Option A. Use of film. Option B. Small group discussions. Option C. Lectures by experts. Option D. Viewing countrywide classroom program on TV. Answer is option B. Small group discussion. Next question. Which of the following is not product of learning? Option A. Attitudes. Option B. Concepts. Option C. Knowledge. Option D. Maturation. Answer is option D. Maturation. How can the objectivity of the research be enhanced? Option A. Through its impartiality. Option B. Through its reliability. Option C. Through its validity. Option D. All the above. Answer is option D. All the above. Action research is option A. An applied research. Option B. A research carried out to solve immediate problems. Option C. A longitudinal research. Option D. All the above. Answer is option B. A research carried out to solve immediate problems. Next question. The basis on which assumptions are formulated. Option A. Cultural background of the country. Option B. Universities. Option C. Specific characteristics of the castes. Option D. All the above. Answer is option D. All the above. Next question. Which of the following is classified in the category of the developmental research? Option A. Philosophical research. Option B. Action research. Option C. Descriptive research. Option D. All the above. Answer is option D. All the above. Next question. We use factorial analysis. Option A. To know the relationship between two variables. Option B. To test the hypothesis. Option C. To know the difference between two variables. Option D. To know the difference among many variables. Answer is option D. To know the difference between many variables. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follows. While the British rule in India was detrimental to the economic development of the country, it did help in starting of the process of modernizing Indian society and formed several progressive institutions during that process. One of the most beneficial institutions which were initiated by the British was democracy. Nobody can dispute that despite its many shortcomings, democracy was and is far better alternative to the arbitrary rule of the Rajas and Nawabs, which prevailed in India in the pre-British days. However, one of the harmful traditions of British democracy inherited by India was that of conflict instead of cooperation between elected members. This was its essential feature. The party which got the support of the majority of elected members formed the government, while the others constituted a standing opposition. The existence of the opposition to those in power was and is regarded as a hallmark of democracy. In principle, democracy consists of rule by the people, but where direct rule is not possible. It's ruled by persons elected by the people. It is natural that there would be some differences of opinion among the elected members as in the rest of the society. Normally, members of any organizations have differences of opinion between themselves on different issues, but they manage to work on the basis of a consensus, and they do not normally form a division between some who are in majority and are placed in power while treating the others as in opposition. The members of an organization usually work on consensus. Consensus simply means that after an adequate discussion, members agree that the majority opinion may prevail for the time being. Thus, persons who form a majority on one issue and whose opinion is allowed to prevail may not be on the same side if there is a difference on some other issue. It was largely by accident that instead of this normal procedure, a two party system came to prevail in Britain, and that is now being generally taken as the best method of democratic rule. Many democratically inclined persons in India regret that such a two party system was not brought about in the country. It appears that two parties in India of more or less equal strength is a virtual impossibility. Those who regret the absence of a two party system should take the reasons into consideration. When the two party system got established in Britain, there were two groups among the rules who had the same economic interests among themselves and who therefore formed two groups within the selected members of parliament. There were members of the British aristocracy and members of the new commercial class consisting of merchants and artisans. These groups were more or less of equal strength, and they were able to establish their separate rule at different times. Now question starts. In pre-British period, when India was ruled by the independent rulers, option A, peace and prosperity prevailed in the society. Option B, people were isolated from political affairs. Option C, public opinion was inevitable for policy making. Option D, law was equal for one and all. Answer is option A, peace and prosperity prevailed in the society. Next question. What is the distinguishing feature of the democracy practiced in Britain? Option A, end of the rule of might is right. Option B, rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. Option C, it has stood the test of time. Option D, cooperation between elected members. Answer is option A, end of the rule of might is right. Next question. Democracy is practiced where? Option A, elected members from a uniform opinion regarding policy matter. Option B, opposition is more powerful than the ruling combined. Option C, representatives of masses. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option A, elected members form a uniform opinion regarding policy matter. Next question. Which of the following is true about the British rule in India? Option A, it was behind the modernization of the Indian society. Option B, India gained economically during the period. Option C, various establishments were formed for the purpose of progress. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, various establishments were formed for the purpose of progress. Next question. Who became the members of the new commercial class during the time? Option A, British aristocrats. Option B, lord and barons. Option C, political persons. Option D, merchants and artisans. Answer is option D, merchants and artisans. Which one of the following telephonic conferencing with a radio link is very popular throughout the world? Option A, TPS. Option B, telepresence. Option C, video conference. Option D, video teletext. Answer is option B, telepresence. Next question. Which is not 24 hours news channel? Option A, NDTV 24/7. Option B, Z News. Option C, Aaj Tak. Option D, Lok Sabha channel. Answer is option D, Lok Sabha channel. Next question. The main objective of FM station in radio is option A, information, entertainment and tourism. Option B, entertainment, information and interaction. Option C, tourism, interaction and entertainment. Option D, entertainment only. Answer is option B, entertainment, information and interaction. Next question. In communication, chatting in internet is option A, verbal communication. Option B, non-verbal communication. Option C, parallel communication. Option D, grapevine communication. Answer is option C, parallel communication. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1, artists. Option A, Pandit Jasraj. Option B, Kishan Maharaj. Option C, Ravi Shankar. Option D, Uday Shankar. List 2, art. Option 1, Hindustani vocalist. Option 2, sitar. Option 3, tabla. Option 4, dance. Now codes. Option A, A1, B2, C3, D4. Option B, A1, B3, C4, D2. Option C, A1, B3, C2, D4. Option D, A3, B2, C1, D4. Our answer is option C, A1, B3, C2, D4. Insert the missing number in the following: 3, 8, 18, 23, 33, question mark, 48. Option A, 37. Option B, 40. Option C, 38. Option D, 45. Answer is option C, 38. Next question. In a certain code, clock, CLOCK, clock is written as KCOLC. How would steps, STEPS, steps be written in that code? Option A, SPEST. Option B, SPSET. Option C, SPETS. Option D, SEPTS. Answer is option C, SPETS. Next question. The letters in the first set have a certain relationship. On the basis of this relationship, mark the right choice for the second set. BDFH is to OMKI. Like that. GHIK is to question mark. Option A, FHJL. Option B, RPNL. Option C, LNPR. Option D, LJHF. Answer is option B, RPNL. What was the day of the week on 1st January 2001? Option A, Friday. Option B, Monday. Option C, Sunday. Option D, Wednesday. Answer is option B, Monday. Find out the wrong number in the sequence: 52, 51, 48, 43, 34, 27, 16. Option A 27. Option B 34. Option C 43. Option D 48. Answer is option B 34. In a deductive argument, conclusion is option A summing up of the premises, option B not necessarily based on premises, option C entailed by the premises, option D additional to the premises. Answer is option C entailed by the premises. Next question. No man are mortal is contradictory of option A some men are mortal, option B some men are not mortal, option C all men are mortal, option D no man is mortal. Answer is option C all men are mortal. Next question. A deductive argument is valid if option A premises are false and conclusion is true. Option B premises are false and conclusion is also false. Option C premises are true and conclusion is false. Option D premises are true and conclusion is true. Answer is option D premises are true and conclusion is true. Next question. Structure of logical argument is based on option A formal validity, option B material truth, option C linguistic expression, option D aptness of examples. Answer is option A formal validity. Next question. Two ladies and two men are playing bridge and seated at north, east, south and west of the table. No lady is facing east. Persons sitting opposite to each other are not of the same sex. One man is facing south. Which direction are the ladies facing to? Option A east and west, option B north and west, option C south and east, option D none of the above. Answer is option B north and west. Directions. Questions 31 and 32 are based on the following Venn diagram in which there are three intersecting circles representing Hindi knowing persons, English knowing persons and persons who are working as teachers. Different regions so obtained in the figure are marked as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. G indicates Hindi knowing persons. F indicates person working as teachers. E indicates English knowing persons. B indicates Hindi knowing persons and English knowing persons. D indicates persons working as teachers and English knowing persons. A indicates Hindi knowing persons and persons working as teachers. C indicates all these three. Now question starts. If you want to select Hindi and English knowing teachers, which of the following is to be selected? Option A G, option B B, option C C, option D E. Answer is option C C. Next question. If you want to select persons who do not know English and are not teachers, which of the region is to be selected? Option A E, option B G, option C B, option D A. Answer is option B G. Directions. Question number 33 to 35. Study the following graph carefully and answer the questions that follows. The title of the graph is Export of Engineering Goods. So in this, two things are shown. Quantity in lakh tons, value in crore of rupees. So this export of engineering goods in the duration 2003 to 2007 is given. In the year 2003, 15 lakh tons quantity, 25 crore of rupees is the value. In 2004, 25 lakh tons is the quantity, 15 crore of rupees. 15 crore of rupees is the value. In 2005, 25 lakh tons is the quantity, 50 crore of rupees is the value. In 2006, 50 lakh tons is the quantity, 50 crore of rupees is the value. In 2007, 35 Lakh tons is the quantity, 25 crore of rupees is the value. So study the graph carefully. Now the question starts. In which year the quantity of engineering goods exports was maximum? Option A 2005, option B 2006, option C 2004, option D 2007. Answer is option B 2006. Next question. In which year the value of engineering goods decreased by 50% compared to the previous year? Option A 2004, option B 2007, option C 2005, option D 2006. Answer is option B 2007. In which year the quantity of exports was 100% higher than the quantity of previous year? Option A 2004, option B 2005, option C 2006, option D 2007. Answer is option C 2006. What do you need to put your web pages on the www? Option A connection to internet, option B a web browser, option C a web server, option D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Which was the first company to launch mobile phone services in India? Option A SR, option B BPL, option C Hutchison, option D Airtel. Answer is option C Hutchison. Next question. Chandrayaan 1 was launched on 22nd October 2008 in India from option A Bangalore, option B Sriharikota, option C Chennai, option D Ahmedabad. Answer is option B Sriharikota. Next question. What is blog? Option A online music, option B intranet, option C a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal, option D a personal or corporate Google search. Answer is option C a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. Next question. Which is not online Indian matrimonial website? Option A www.jeevansati.com, option B www.bharatmatrimony.com, option C www.shadi.com, option D www.u.k.singlemuslim.com. Answer is option D www.u.k.singlemuslim.com. Environmental impact assessment is an objective analysis of the probable changes in option A physical characteristics of the environment, option B biophysical characteristics of the environment, option C socio-economic characteristics of the environment, option D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. Next question. BOG bog is a wetland that receives water from option A nearby water bodies, option B melting, option C rainfall only, option D sea only. Answer is option A nearby water bodies. Next question. Which of the following region is in the very high risk zone of earthquakes? Option A Central Indian Highland, option B coastal region, option C Himalayan region, option D Indian desert. Answer is option A Central Indian Highland. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1 Central Arid Zone Institute, B Space Application Center, C Indian Institute of Public Administration, D Headquarters of Indian Science Congress. List 2 Cities Kolkata, 2 New Delhi, 3 Ahmedabad, 4 Jodhpur. Codes option A A4, B3, C2, D1. Option B A4, B2, C1, D3. Option C A3, B1, C2, D4. Option D A1, B2, C4, D3. Answer is option A, A4, B3, C2, D1. Next question. Indian coastal areas experiences tsunami disaster in the year option A 2005, option B 2004, option C 2006, option D 2007. Answer is option B 2004. The Kothari Commission's report was entitled on option A Education and National Development, option B Learning to be Adventure, option C Diversification of Education, option D Education and Socialization in Democracy. Answer is option A Education and National Development. Next question. Which of the following is not a dual mode university? Option A Delhi University, option B Bangalore University, option C Madras University, option D Indira Gandhi National Open University. Answer is option D Indira Gandhi National Open University. Next question. Which part of the Constitution of India is known as Code of Administrators? Option A, Part 1, option B, Part 2, option C, Part 3, option D, Part 4. Answer is option C, Part 3. Next question. Which article of the Constitution provides safeguards to Naga customary and their social practices against any act of Parliament? Option A, Article 371A. Option B, Article 371B. Option C, Article 371C. Option D, Article 263. Answer is option A, Article 371A. Next question. Which one of the following is not the tool of good governance? Option A, right to information. Option B, citizens charter. Option C, social auditing. Option D, judicial activism. Answer is option C, social auditing.